Have you ever wondered how your favorite ice cream makes its way from a quiet dairy farm to your freezer at home? It's not just about blending milk and sugar and calling it a day. Behind every creamy scoop lies a marvel of food science and engineering, a cold and creamy journey powered by massive machinery. You're picturing workers scooping ice cream by hand. Think again. We're going deep into the heart of a mega ice cream factory, where machines can churn out thousands of gallons of ice cream a day with mechanical precision and icy efficiency. But before we dive into the mechanics, let's rewind a little and explore the origins of this frozen delight. Ice cream's history stretches back thousands of years to ancient China and Persia, where people mixed snow with fruit juices, honey, and wine to create refreshing icy treats. Even ancient Greeks and Romans had their own primitive versions of chilled desserts, storing snow in pits to enjoy in the sweltering summer months. Fast forward to the 18th century, and ice cream found its way to the United States. George Washington reportedly spent a small fortune on it, and Thomas Jefferson even wrote down his own recipe for vanilla. The U.S. ice cream industry is valued at over $13 billion, and the average American consumes about 23 pounds of ice cream every year. The journey begins far from the factory floor in the rolling green fields of American dairy farms. Milk and cream are the cornerstone ingredients of most ice creams, and the U.S. is well equipped with over 9 million dairy cows producing milk every day. These cows are milked multiple times a day, and the fresh milk is cooled immediately, then transported in refrigerated tankers to nearby ice cream production facilities. Often, the milk reaches the factory within 24 hours of collection. Upon arrival, it's stored in huge stainless steel tanks. Milk and cream are just the beginning. Sugar adds the sweetness, while a wide range of flavorings and inclusions give each ice cream its personality. Factories often source vanilla from Madagascar, cocoa from South America, strawberries from California, and other ingredients from trusted global and local suppliers. Before anything is used, ingredients are tested for quality to meet strict food safety and flavor standards. Once everything checks out, it's time for the real mixing to begin. Inside the factory, powerful industrial mixers capable of churning hundreds of gallons in minutes blend milk, cream, sugar, and any initial flavor bases. These machines are carefully calibrated to maintain the mix at temperatures between 36 degrees Fahrenheit and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring the sugar dissolves properly and the dairy fats remain stable. Too much or too little of any ingredient can throw off the texture, flavor, or freezing process, so precision is everything. Once the base is blended, the mixture is sent for pasteurization, a critical safety step. Pasteurization is where the mixture is heated to about 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 seconds and then quickly cooled down. This process kills harmful bacteria without altering the taste or texture of the ingredients. Once pasteurized, the mixture heads to homogenization, where the fat molecules are broken down into smaller, evenly distributed particles. This is what gives ice cream its smooth, velvety consistency. In industrial settings, this is done using high-pressure machines that push the mix through tight valves, locking in that unmistakable creamines. Next, the mixture moves into the aging tanks, where it rests for up to 24 hours at around 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Once sufficiently aged, the base mix is ready for customization. Factories now add the signature flavors, whether it's classic vanilla, decadent chocolate, sweet strawberry, or adventurous options like mint cookie crumble or caramel pretzel swirl. After flavoring, inclusions such as chocolate chips, cookie dough chunks, caramel ribbons, or nuts are added. These extras are gently folded into the mix using specialized machinery designed to evenly distribute them. It ensures that every spoonful of ice cream is packed with flavor and texture. Now the mix is ready to be transformed into the frozen dessert we recognize. The flavored mixture is pumped into continuous freezers, where the temperature drops to a frosty minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Once frozen to soft serve consistency, the ice cream is pumped into containers by robotic filling systems. Whether it's pints, quarts, or industrial-sized tubs, these machines can fill over 20,000 containers per hour with speed and accuracy. After filling, each container passes through a metal detector to ensure no foreign objects entered during the process. Before anything leaves the factory, samples from every batch undergo rigorous quality control checks. Technicians evaluate flavor, consistency, fat content, air incorporation, and inclusion distribution to ensure each pint meets the factory's high standards. Only once a batch passes these checks is it cleared for shipping. So, the next time you treat yourself to a scoop of your favorite flavor, remember, behind that pint is an incredible journey involving farms, formulas, flavor experts, freezing science, and a lot of attention to detail. At the industrial level, every delicious marshmallow begins with just 3 simple ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, and water. These basic components are combined and cooked to perfection, transforming into a thick, sticky syrup that serves as the sweet foundation of every marshmallow. Into this bubbling mixture, gelatin is added. The magical ingredient that gives marshmallows flavorings and colors are mixed in, creating the base for the rainbow of varieties we see on shelves today. Whether it's strawberry pink, vanilla white, or tropical blue, this step defines both taste and appearance. Once the mixture is ready, it's piped through industrial extruders that shape it into long, continuous ropes. These ropes twist and tangle to form beautiful patterns and are then coated in powdered sugar to prevent sticking and preserve that soft, fluffy texture. After being dried and cut into uniform pieces, each marshmallow cube is dusted again with cornstarch and sugar to keep them from fusing into one giant blob. These little puffs of joy are then passed through vibrating sieves to remove any excess sugar, ensuring each bite is just the right balance of sweet and soft. But marshmallows don't always go solo. In some factories, they meet their biscuit counterparts in an incredibly satisfying process. Conveyor belts align waffle-like biscuits in perfect order, and a tank filled with marshmallow cream deposits just the right amount onto each one through precision nozzles. The consistency and control are flawless. Each biscuit gets an equal dollop of fluffy marshmallow, making every bite a treat. The result? Marshmallow stuffed biscuits that look and taste heavenly, and the journey doesn't end there. These marshmallow biscuits are then coated in melted chocolate, adding a crunchy layer that contrasts beautifully with the soft filling. Watching the chocolate cascade over each biscuit is hypnotic, and the result is a mouth-watering creation, soft on the inside, rich and crunchy on the outside. To add the final touch, shredded coconut is sprinkled over the top, giving each sweet a delicate texture and a hint of tropical flavor. The result is a complete sensory experience: soft, crunchy, sweet, and satisfying all at once. Modern marshmallows come in every imaginable color, flavor, and form, from holiday-themed designs to chocolate-dipped masterpieces. Some even feature special toppings like rainbow sprinkles or custom chocolate chips for added flair. Handling such delicate sweets is no easy task, which is why advanced packaging machines are used. These machines gently lift each marshmallow, wrap it tightly to seal out air and moisture, and place it perfectly into boxes, ensuring the product remains as fresh and fluffy as when it left the production line. These packaging robots are faster, cleaner, and more precise than human hands. They can do the work of 100 people without breaking a sweat, all while maintaining perfect quality control. Every bite of candy you enjoy is the result of incredible teamwork between ingredients, machines, and design. This applies even to simple delights like jam biscuits, those soft cookie sandwiches with a layer of fruity jam inside. These aren't just candies. They're tiny masterpieces crafted by machines, designed to deliver joy with every bite.
If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below.